Ladies and gentlemen, clearly, every one of our ID models is fun to drive. And now GTX means feel the agility. One touch of the drive pedal is all it takes to experience full torque from both electric drives. And in every bend, you can sense the fabulous handling due to the low center of gravity delivered by locating the battery in the vehicle floor. The handling is simply amazing. With the GTX, we are really going for it. Thanks to the second electric motor at the front, thanks to the full power of up to 220 kilowatt, and thanks to the intelligent and efficiently controlled dual motor all-wheel drive. This SUV is a sports car, delivering acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers in 6.2 seconds. I have already had the pleasure of using the car over long distances, and I can tell you, it's something to look forward to. It's a wonderful combination of Volkswagen values, like safety and outstanding performance. It goes without saying that we put a lot of work into fine-tuning the running gear. We are Volkswagen, after all. Simply put, the GTX is a GDI of the EV world. The 77 kilowatt-hours battery delivers a WLTP range of 480 kilometers. At least as important so is a high charging power of 125 kilowatts. In the space of 30 minutes, you can recharge with enough energy for roughly 300 kilometers. And the innovative operating and safety concept is just as intelligent as its driveline. The driver is supported, for example, by the unique augmented reality head-up display, as well as the extensive assistance systems. The ID.4 GTX is always on and digitally connected, and not just with the WeConnect online services. Over-the-air updates keep the ID.4 GTX fully up to date in our customers' hands. What means to the customer, it's more to come.
And if you ask me what is my favorite feature on the ID.4 GTX, I can only say it's the whole mix of it, yeah. Because when you look at the car, it's the balance between sportiness and between the let's say the aesthetic of being aerodynamic. All these make the car very unique. The combination of color, combination of forms, and as well the combination of aesthetic and the power. This makes the car unique, and this is something what I like on it as well. Especially, this is the my favorite. As you can see by ID.4 GTX, we are showing not only one attractive car and the good combination of attractive car and sportiness. This is something what has as well a nice view on the future behave in our cars. The GTX stand not only perfect for the ID.4, but it will be in the future showing a signature of designs and as well of the combination to the let's say attractive cars as well as sportiness. Therefore the signatures through the GTX sign, but as well the elements in the front, and so are few components what you will see it as usually you always expect from Volkswagen, even through the more models. Big role in the designing from ID4 GTX plays well aerodynamic. When you look the car, it's already from the proportions very attractive, and it's already giving one good aerodynamic shape. On other side, of course, are even many of details. You know, the whole treatment of the surfaces, but as well detail work. Front is closed. It has very nice, but as well very efficient shape. On other side, we have as well very good design of the wheels. We have flow on the side, and all this and very nice, very sharp with bumper area, which has nice lines, but as well on the top big spoiler, and as well this extra on the side of the back window as well, 2 elements. The car is really through this all very efficient, and this is something what belong to electric car.